How often should you replace your home's air filter? You should replace your standard home air filter every 90 days, but if you have pets or allergies, every 30 to 60 days is better. Think of your air filter like a screen door for your house. Air blows through it every single time your heating or cooling system turns on, and that screen catches dust, pet hair, and tiny particles so they do not end up in your lungs or your ductwork. Over time, that screen gets clogged up, kind of like a sponge that is full of dirt and cannot soak up any more water. When that happens, your system has to work way harder to push air through, which uses more electricity and puts stress on the motor. Something a lot of people do not know is that a dirty filter can actually cause your air conditioner's coil to freeze up completely, which can lead to a repair bill in the hundreds of dollars. A cheap trick is to write the date on the side of the filter with a marker every time you change it, so you are never guessing how old it is. One big mistake people make is buying the thickest, highest rated filter they can find, thinking it will clean the air better, but if your system is not built for it, that thick filter can actually choke the airflow and hurt your unit. Check your system's manual first or ask a professional before upgrading. Another common mistake is forgetting to check the filter monthly, even if you are not ready to replace it yet, since a quick look tells you if it is dirty early. A lot of folks also install the filter backwards because they do not notice the little arrow printed on the frame, so always look for that arrow and point it toward the furnace or air handler. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.